Hello everyone, this is John Webster, and this is part one of a three-part series on the 2012 Subaru Impreza engine rebuild after I found coolant and oil mixing in the radiator. Now this is my biggest auto job I've ever done after doing a lift on the Subaru Impreza, and started filming this after doing the piston ring gap sizing and install. Followed a lot of YouTube tutorials that I'm going to link below and put some of the most valuable snippets from the manuals in this video that I think will be most useful for anyone else who's getting into a job like this for the first time. Definitely recommend going back to the manuals to double check all your torque values and detailed steps, but this was super helpful for me as a resource. So enjoy!
That is like easily a millimeter longer or more. Go stop recording. Doing our beads on both sides there. This one, 3 millimeters. A millimeter of overhang. Done one of the cam carriers and royally screwed it up. Have some lessons learned to share. These are the oil filters, I think, in the cam carrier. Let's see. And as you can see, this one I tried to put in first, brand new part, hammered it a little too hard and squished it completely. So this one is actually the old one that I've now cleaned out and put a little bit of Permatex Ultra Gray sealant on, hoping that that fixes the little holes, doesn't dissolve in whatever fluid stream it is. I'm pretty sure it's oil, but not certain. And now I'm going to do the second cam carrier, so let's get to it.